to vlog today because we are going to St. Augustine, Florida today, and we're just gonna explore the city. We're gonna explore the city. We're gonna go to the lighthouse. And there's a distillery. There's a bunch of like historical stuff in St. Augustine. We're gonna go check out today. So we're gonna take you guys with us. And look, for once, I'm not driving. Johnny's driving today.
She's the grumpy one today, not me.
I work nights right now, so sometimes waking up in the mornings right now is a little rough. So yeah, we'll catch up with you guys when we're closer to St. Augustine because we've got like a 2-hour and 15-minute ride up there. So I think the first spot we're gonna go to is the lighthouse, just to get that done, get it out of the way before it gets too hot. So see you there. I feel like someone just put me in the face. Oh, let me get out of here. We made it to the lighthouse. Johnny's not very happy when she said there's 219 steps to the top. I'm like getting eaten alive by bugs, man. This is...
Hey, we got here. There's no bugs. There's nothing.
Yeah. I've had them. I picked like 5 of them off me already. There it is. First step, 128 to go. If I wasn't sweaty and dewy before, I'm definitely sweaty and dewy now because sweated bullets going up to the top of that lighthouse. Ooh, it was a beautiful, beautiful view, right? Like so gorgeous.
I don't know if it was worth it though.
You don't think it was worth it? Well, Johnny has knee issues, so. But there's so many bugs, I'm like getting eaten alive. Whew. So now I think we're gonna go head out to a distillery and go try some alcohol.
Is that Lion Bridge? Oh my god, is it actually up? It's going up! The bridge is gonna be going up!
I've never seen a drawbridge. I don't know if it's going up or if it's been up and it's just waiting for it to go back down, or maybe it's going up because there's a boat coming. It's not a big boat, but...
The bridge is going up! The bridge is up! I've been over drawbridges, but I've never actually been on and then like had to stop because it went up.
I've seen the one where we're going to Atlantic City, where we were going down Atlantic City.
Wow, look at how high it comes up. It's so cool.
Architecture here is so pretty.
I didn't think we could fall in love, broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We might fall apart, but we're running away with our hearts. Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we? They were blinded, tried to deny us, didn't think we
I had to put my hair up because it was getting way too hot. We came to Casa Maya for lunch. We're starting off with some chips and salsa. So we finished lunch at Casa Maya. It was really good. And now we're on our way to the distillery. Try to do the distillery tour and the little wine tour. Get back in like an hour and 20 minutes. Hopefully, maybe.
Pay attention.
We will see.
following our hearts. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We might fall apart. Now we're running away with our hearts. Can we break free? Can we break free? Can
road.
Oh my god.
Watch the wall, please.
Turn left onto Charlotte Street and turn left onto Cathedral Place.
What is this thing doing? It's a one-way. Oh no, Charlotte. Oh my Lord, Jesus.
People.
Look at how tiny these streets are. These streets are so tiny.
Victorian house.
Lordy. Are you enjoying St. Augustine, babe?
It's too hot.
It's so hot, guys. Like my makeup is melting off. These places are so freaking cute. I kind of feel like I'm in I don't know if Johnny agrees with me, but I kind of feel like I'm in Old San Juan right now. Or I definitely feel like
Turn left onto Cathedral Place and turn left onto Cordova Street.
oh my
Definitely
Lord.
has a Spain.
This is
a
terrible.
Spain vibe.
Yeah,
That's what the streets look like in Spain.
definitely like a Spanish. I mean, it's obviously Spanish influence, but
97
oh
degrees.
yeah, 97 degrees. But 97 degrees in Florida is like, I don't know what the real feel is because it's so humid all the time. My body was glistening
Turn left
from the
onto
sweat.
Cordova Street and turn right onto King Street.
There we go. Yeah, it's really pretty here. So now we're on our way. Shut up, GPS. Now we're on our way to
San Sebastian Winery.
San Sebastian Winery. Exactly. Ooh, I saw that lightning over there. Woo.
People get inside. People get inside.
Get inside,
In
peoples.
half a mile, the destination is on your left. San Sebastian Winery.
San Sebastian Winery. What if those are apartments? They look like they are.
The destination is on your left. San
Possibly,
Sebastian
yeah.
Winery.
Where?
Huh?
Where? Was that it? Oh.
That's
Arrived
it.
at San Sebastian Winery.
You got to turn around.
Yeah. Arrived. How? Go in here and turn around. Go into Theo's. Hop a little U-turn.
Homemade cinnamon buns. Theo's looks a little abandoned.
Yeah, Theo's definitely abandoned. You know, trying to make it to this place. GPS is playing me. I mean, not really, because the address probably is for this street, King Street, but
Oh, they're closed.
homemade cinnamon buns? Homemade cinnamon buns?
You trying to get in?
Oh, those are dorm rooms, probably. Look, see, flagler. Flag? Oh, that's
Fleur.
such a weird word to say.
Flagler.
Flagler, like, it just sounds like
Oh, those are the constructing them.
Like a-
Those are new ones.
like a furry straggler.
too, yeah, these
like
are
a
all-
furry straggler of hair. A flagler.
It's a nice dormitory building.
I know. All right. We
Small.
have arrived. Go ahead, people. Go ahead. I'm coming in.
Small winery.
Coming in to take a little sippy sip. Oh boy. Can I park right there next to that?
Do as you please.
Chrysler 300.
Sure. I don't know what they're trying to do.
I think they're trying to get out. Oh, I don't know what I'm hitting over there.
Yeah, get in there. I don't know why they're. See what damage you did to the car. You did this time.
I was trying to
not
get
me.
out of the way of that person. Did I mess up the car? Oh, good. I'm good, guys. We're doing a self-guided wine tour.
I didn't think we could fall in love. Broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We might fall apart, but we're all in one. With our hearts, can we break free? Can we break free? Can we break free?
The sherry has definitely acquired taste for a lot of people.
So we just did a quick little tasting there at San Sebastian Winery. I didn't really like any of those wines at all. One of them tasted like it was just bad. Like, I got the taste out in my mouth. It's gonna pour. It's gonna rain.
Go home.
We're exhausted. We're gonna go home. There's a castle here, but I can't do any more walking. My feet are hurting.
There's no llama restaurant. That's food.
Nope. Next time we'll come back and tour the castle or something. Or just go. There's not even really like a castle per se. It's more like almost like a fort. Yeah, it looks more like a fort. Like honestly, like St. Augustine really does remind me of like old San Juan, Puerto Rico. Like it does. Just some of the small little streets and how old everything is, and I think some places in Old San Juan are more brightly colored, but it definitely gives me that vibe, Old San Juan vibe. I think all in all, it was a nice day. New place. We did a lot, I think. But now it's time to go home. We'll make some dinner. And clean the house.
Clean the house.
You didn't have no lawn yesterday.
I don't do lawns.
I don't do houses.
Don't give me that bullshit. Oh no, 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 GPS, you are not taking me on I-4. Absolutely not. Nope, I'm damn, I don't even know which way to go.
It's gonna take longer though.
I-4. Look at all that red and yellow.
Oh.
No. We gotta cut that out the vlog. Can't have people know where we live. Alright. Let's get the hell up out of here. Alright guys, we'll see you when we get home.
Oh, I gotta turn up the camera now.
Yeah, you do. Hey guys, we're home. We took a nap and now I'm cooking some dinner. Johnny had some leftover pasta, so it's really just gonna be me that's eating. But I'll show you what I'm making. I've got some chicken cooking up here. Some seasoned chicken, and I'm cooking it my favorite way. Let me turn this down. That's seasoned chicken with this sauce. This is the best shit ever. Sweet chili sauce. Apparently my friend Jasmine, you're gonna run the garbage disposal all the time. Speaking My friend Jasmine said that they used to sell like whatever that chili sauce or whatever for nuggets at McDonald's, and they got rid of it, but that's like practically the same thing. And then I'm making some sweet potatoes, seasoned sweet potatoes on the side. They're so good. So, you're not in it. He's all worried because he ain't got no shirt on.
Can you show my goods off to the world?
He said he can't be showing his goods off to the world. It's only of value to people if they want to buy it. You're taken, so I don't think anybody wants to buy it.
Well, people still want to buy.
People, I doubt it. Turn the bitches down. So yeah, that's pretty much all we're gonna do the rest of the night. Finish cooking and clean the house, chill and watch some shows or movies or something, and that's it. So for tonight, good night. Bye guys. Say bye.
Adios.
They can't. I don't think they can hear you.
Adios.
Adios.